welcome back to Ask Nutrition Deepa's quick, easy, flavorful recipe videos. And today I'm going to show you how to make buckwheat pancakes, buckwheat wraps or crepes. These are gluten-free, dairy-free, allergen-free, and most importantly, all you need is two ingredients, buckwheat and water. And the recipe is simple and the making of it is even simpler. So what I did, buckwheat is a grain basically. It's a gluten-free seed, and I soaked it in water overnight. And once you rinse it and soak it, just make sure that you are using not more than half an inch of water on top during soaking. It doesn't absorb a lot of water because next day when you grind it, it's going to be a thick batter similar to pancake. You don't want too thin of a batter. So that's what I did. It soaked overnight. Then I did the grinding this morning and now the batter is done. That's all to it. So let's get cooking. So I have warmed up my skillet. It's a cast iron skillet which has been very well seasoned. It's ready to go because as I add the water, it's evaporating. Okay, so that means it's ready to go. I'm not going to add any oil to these wraps. Just every 3-4 wraps I will re-season the skillet with little bit of oil, and that's all it needs. And now, like I said, I have this batter which is fermented. The buckwheat ferments really well, and you can make it as thin as you want or as thick as you want. I don't grind buckwheat into extremely fine batter. I like a little bit of chewiness to it, but it's your personal preference. And here we go. And you want to start trying to flip it when you start seeing the edges are coming off. That's all to it. Now if you want, you can season the batter with by adding some herbs or spices to it, but I like to keep it simple. Buckwheat has its own really nice, sweeter, milder flavor that I like to enjoy. And make sure to watch my bonus video on health benefits of buckwheat. So once these pancakes are done, the plating is really very easy. You can see how pliable they are. They are folding, they are not breaking apart, and that's why this is a perfect gluten-free option for a wrap or for a crepe, then what you can do, you can really fill any filling in it. I have made my all-purpose vegetable stuffing. The recipe is on my YouTube channel, and I'm just going to add a spoonful of it in here. So that's all to it. Once you add filling, you can wrap it. Once you wrap it, all you have to do is to eat. It's going to look delicious and absolutely flavorful. Now technically, you can add any stuffing you want. You can stuff it with avocado. You can add a fruit stuffing, maybe with a little bit of maple syrup and a fruit, because the buckwheat is very mild in its flavor, and this is a perfect picnic lunch or office lunch or school lunch. And you can just use your imagination. Possibilities of stuffing are endless. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, thank you for reaching out with questions. I really enjoy all that, and I will see you next time.